Eagles soar, lions roar, cheetahs race. Apex predators we glorify. But one ancient beast can humble them all. Witness the crocodile rise as nature's silent, unstoppable force. A gray langur monkey wandered too close to danger. In a flash, the crocodile's jaws locked onto its arm. The monkey shrieked and fought desperately, but there was no escape. Dragged into the depths, the struggle ended in silence. Another life claimed by the swamp's merciless hunter. Impalas came only to drink, not to challenge the river's true master. But in an instant, a crocodile exploded from the water, jaws open, hunger unrelenting. It clamped down on one impala's leg and dragged it beneath the surface. The rest fled in panic, taught a brutal lesson in nature's unforgiving law. The eagle, king of the skies, once dared to steal a meal from a resting crocodile, but its boldness triggered fury. In a heartbeat, the crocodile launched forward, jaws snapping in warning. The eagle panicked, abandoning its stolen prize, a swift reminder of who truly rules the swamp. Baboons are bold, sometimes too bold. While gathering near a lake, they were caught off guard. A crocodile burst from the water with terrifying speed, seizing one in a vice-like grip. The battle was violent but brief. The others watched helplessly as their companion was dragged to a watery grave. A peaceful brown pelican drifted across a lake, unaware of the danger rising below. The crocodile surged forward, its jaws delivering a brutal blow. The pelican's life ended in an instant. Another eagle wasn't as lucky. Caught in waters it should have avoided, it flapped desperately as an alligator burst forth. There was no escape. With one crushing strike, the bird was grounded permanently. Vultures, gathered by the water for a drink, never sensed the predator below. With eerie patience, the crocodile waited, then struck. One vulture was caught in its crushing jaws, dragged under, and silenced forever.